Now it's time to see how we can add a toolbar in place of the action bar. And you saw that the name of the app is Toolbar, and this is because I planned for the beginning to make a video about the toolbar. Now, what is the toolbar? A toolbar is a more flexible and customizable replacement of the action bar. That's all. So first I'm gonna go inside here activity.main, and we can add the toolbar directly here. But first let's go to themes and let's remove the action bar. So I'm gonna go here, instead of dark action bar to our theme, I'm gonna put no action bar. And now I'm gonna go back into main activity, actually in activity main.xml. Now I can add a toolbar here, but if I have multiple activities or fragments, I will have to add the code in all of those files. A better way is to create the toolbar in a separate file and just include it in all the files that you need the toolbar. So I'm going to create a new layout. So click on layout, you go to layout resource file, and let's call to this toolbar. And then let's change this to toolbar, and we choose this one, Android text app compact widgets. Click on OK. Now I'm gonna choose for the layout height wrap content, so it will be as big as the content in it, and also need to pass a background color, which is gonna be coral purple 500. Now, if now we need to go back into activity underscore main.xml, and here we're gonna type opening tag, include. I'm gonna type layout, and we're gonna refer our toolbar layout. So I'm gonna put our toolbar layout here. I'm gonna add an ID to this toolbar, so I'm gonna type here ID, and the ID is gonna be toolbar. Now if we run our app, so let's hide this, let's run our app. Click on terminate. So we have the toolbar here, but we don't have the name of the app and the options menu that we created. That is because we have to tell our app that we want to use our toolbar as our action bar replacement. So go inside the main activity, and we simply type here. We need to first connect our we first need to refer the ID of the toolbar to create the toolbar. So I'm gonna type here val toolbar equals find view by ID. It's gonna be of type toolbar, and I'm gonna type here r.id toolbar. Now I'm gonna type set support action bar, and as you can see, this expects as a parameter a toolbar. So now we're telling to the app that, hey, use this toolbar as the action bar. So, but we have a problem. So it says that it found the Android widget toolbar, and probably because I put here, let's say toolbar, to see what we have here. Yes, we need to, instead of this one, we need to choose this one, toolbar Android X app compact widgets. And now we don't have any errors, but I don't like because I have this Android X. So let's push this up. Let's try to import this. So let's go on the left. Let's type import. And let's put star. That will not work actually. It's not working. And still it's not working. Actually, I'm gonna let it there with this Android X app compact toolbar, because it will be no problem with that. Or I can try to delete this and put here the toolbar. I can type here toolbar Android X app compact widget. So now everything is fine. It added here now the import. Alright, now if you run our app, click on terminate. Alright, so now everything works fine, and the only thing is that we have this the toolbar, the text on the toolbar is dark. So let's see how we can change that. Alright, so now the title is dark, and also the item here is dark. And to change that, to go inside our toolbar XML, and we need to add a theme. So I'll go down here, I will type theme, and we choose the first one, style theme theme overlay app compat dark action bar. Now if you run our app, now the title of the app is white, and the icon and the options also. But if I click here on the options, you don't see the text. This is because we need to add another thing inside our toolbar, which is pop-up theme. So if I go down here, and I type pop-up theme, I'm gonna type Aron @ style / theme overlay dot app compat, and we choose this one, light. Now if I run our app again, click on terminate. Now if I click here, now we have our options and everything works fine. So this is our discussion about toolbar, and see you in the next video.